and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. CM assures criminal proceedings against people responsible for illegalities in mining. Government appoints committee headed by retired High Court Judge Khandeparkar. Report within 60 days. Government firm on shack policy. CM ready for minor changes. Stakeholders demand major changes. Press for revamp of the policy. All Goa Private Bus Owners Association demand bus pay hike within a fortnight. Oppose bus subsidy clause. CM's decision after studying the proposal. Momento Resources has unique gift for children, introduces Magic Bus, almost 5,000 children to be benefited. And Goan I-League clubs worried about security arrangements at Tilak Maidan for I-League. Goan I-League clubs come together for a unique interaction with the press and media. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured criminal proceedings against the people responsible for illegalities in mining, including illegal condonation of mining leases. Government has appointed a committee headed by retired High Court Judge Khandeparkar to probe the alleged scam. Committee will submit its report within 60 days. The recovery proceedings will begin based on the committee's recommendations. Government has also appointed a committee headed by Principal Secretary of Forest to verify the mining lease documents.
Some lessees have complained to me saying that their mine has been shown in someone else's name. Some have complained that their one mine is shown, the pit is outside mine. That is correct because there is a next mine touching to it. So the government decided that the best way to find out the truth, it is high level but it is investigation committee headed by sitting retired judge, inquire and submit a report to the state government on the various issues raised by the Justice Shah Commission, to report on the loss, pilferage to the public exchequer on matters of royalty, land cess, forest wealth, mineral resources, encroachments on government land, and to identify the wrongdoers in this regard. 60 days initial time frame has been given to indicate to them that who are the people who have done heraferi, taking Shah Commission as a base. That means whatever has been shown in Shah Commission as illegal, irregular will be verified by this committee under chairmanship of Justice RMS Khandeparkar. Once that committee recommends as an interim report or as a final, the government will proceed on the matter to recover the money and to file criminal charges against those who have committed the illegality. A commission of SP anti-corruption branch will be attached with anti-corruption branch helping them working out all the criminal investigation. 10 सप्टेंबराक आमी नोटीस इश्यू केल्ली आसा ह्या 42 मायनींग की तांची परमनंट हे कॅन्सल कित्याक करचे न्ही तांचें उत्तर येतकच ठरतलें आनी that will be taken to the logical conclusion, including initiating of criminal proceedings. All mine lessees have been told to submit their documents. The government has constituted a committee under chairmanship of Principal Secretary Forest. We will process and tell them what is lacking as required under the law. Only when they comply with everything the mine will be allowed to operate.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Government is firm on its shack policy. However, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is ready for minor changes in the policy after taking stakeholders into confidence. However, MLAs and ministers along with some shack holders held a meeting with the CM late in the evening on Wednesday. They have proposed many changes in the shack policy.
कालांगुतांनी कांदोलींची शेकां उणी केल्लीं ती आमी सांगलां ताका उणी सारकीं दी म्हणून आसली तितलींच बॅड बी आमी वाडोवपाक सांगल्या मागल्या ते कडेन सांगलां ताका ताणें सांगलां आपूण पळयता म्हणून सीएमान आनीक सायजूय आमी बेडीची सायजूय मागल्या सीएमा कडेन सीसीटीव्ही सीएमान सांगलां की आपूण आमकांय जाय सीसीटीव्ही घायलेली पूण आमी कितें म्हणटाले आमची जो एक्सपेंडिचर आहा आमचो वाडटा सो आमी गव्हर्मेंटान समज घातले ना आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना सो तेणें सांगलां आमी पळयता म्हण कितें करपा जाता तें
सीएमा कडेन आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला तशें ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टरा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केला ऑल कोस्टल एमएलएज की सिंपथेटिकली कन्सिडर करचें म्हणून शेकवाल्यांचे प्रॉब्लम्स स्पेशली म्हाजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जे शेकां कमी केल्ली सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा सीएमान सांगलें डायरेक्टली आमी एम्बियन्सान दवरता म्हणून तें डिसिजन कित्याक शेकवाल्यांचेर येदें व्हडलें बर्डन घालूंक जायना ते ट्रायल बेसीस tourism department will put CCTV cameras on the beaches to see what is the corrosion rate कित्याक highly corrosion आहा थिंगा salinity आहा
शेक धोरणाचो पुनर्विचार बी जे काही जाण छापतात किंवा खंयच्या तरी टीव्हीचेर काल हांव चॅनल चेंज करता करता हांवें व्हडली बातमी पळयली ती अत्यंत चुकीची बातमी आहा द गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑलवेज ओपन टू स्मॉल करेक्शन्स एंड स्मॉल adjustments.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
All Goa Private Bus Owners Association has demanded bus fare hike within a fortnight. This is on the backdrop of rise in diesel prices. Bus owners have also opposed bus subsidy clause in the meeting held at TB Kunja Hall in Panji on Wednesday. North Goa Bus Owners Association has also backed this resolution. However, when questioned, Chief Minister said that he will decide after studying the proposal.
Bus owners have started complaining about the loss incurred by them due to rise in diesel prices. They have demanded 1 to 5 kilometers current price ₹5 hike to ₹10 per kilometer, current price 75 paise per kilometer hike to 85 paise per kilometer. Nearly 150 bus owners attended the meet on Wednesday. They have decided to submit memorandum to the Director of Transport.
दुसरी आमी जे सरकारान आमकां अनुदान दित म्हणलेलें 15 वर्सां पासून ताका आमी अपोज केला त्या फावटी चड ₹7 ₹7.5 डिझल वाडले कडेन आहा आनी आमकां कांयच रिपोर्टूच ना ह्या दिसा कशी चलोवपाची बस ताका लागून आमकां डिसिजन घेवची पडलें तिकीट दरवाड करपाची सगळे कडेन स्पेअर पार्ट्स हें तें वाडले कडेन टायर वाडले कडेन आहा आमी फाल्यां डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्टा ह्या संदर्भात बरोवन घालतले आनी आमी एक डिसिजन घेयला आख्खे गोंयांत जो टोल आहा तो बंद करपाचें डिसिजन घेयला.
A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.